So guys, good afternoon. So we come back here. So we now are in Katiklan, Boracay. Way to back Manila already. So this is the place here. Here. So this is all the big I think this one is, but this is inside. So I don't know. So this is the lead to the ship. Okay, go to a Mindoro. So we're here.
Pila-pila lang, pila-pila.
So we're here. There I am here.
What you know? Kalau di set up what?
Buwas, Mindoro.
Lagi ka na
Yes.
ano mo ko?
Yeah.
Ikaw lang akala ko kasama mo yung kanina.
Ay, hindi
Nandun sa
po.
umaga.
Isa lang ako.
Ikaw lang mo isa?
Oo.
Okay. Sabi ko na Hinatid
yan?
ka mo ko.
Sige.
Hinatid ka lang pala nila.
Ano mo?
Ito.
Ano mo ko Bilagatinaw?
Ha?
Bilagatinaw. Oh, tapos sa YouTube, Bila Astaga Vlog. Doon mamaya pagkakat natin. So here we are. So in that way, it was a Boracay Islands, okay? So you can see from that side, there's still the parachute. Here. So I will take this, guys. Here. Okay. So in that side, it was a Boracay Islands. Okay.
Hindi na mamaya pag umakyat dito, pag pinasok ko itong mga series. So, sige na may magamit natin.
Here.